Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to link your Xbox Live account with your Rockstar Social Club. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, on your PC or laptop or even your mobile device, head on over and open up any web browser and then go to rockstargames.com. So this is the official website of Rockstar Games. And then from here you want to sign in. So to sign in, up the top should be a sign in button or a profile, so go ahead and sign in. As you can see, I'm signed in. And now from here you want to click onto settings, and then you get these tabs along here from settings. You've got profile, privacy, linked accounts, etc. You need to click onto linked accounts, and then to link an Xbox network gamer tag, click on link account here, and then put in your Xbox Live account details, so your email that is associated with it, and then your password, and then that's how you link your Xbox Live account with your Rockstar Social Club. Alright, that's it for this quick tutorial guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.